Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. We get calls once in a while from just DIY folks trying to do an in-home project on their own. What kind of tools do I need? So I just want to run you through a few of those tools you might need if you're doing a small repair or patch job in your house. Especially with a lot of folks staying home right now, people see things in their home they need to repair. So these are the tools you're going to really probably want to have in your kit. You're going to start off, if you're going to do any kind of cutout work or you're going to do any kind of hole repair, you don't want a jab saw to get in there and clean that up and make it a symmetrical shape instead of just trying to patch some kind of a blowout hole. So you're going to need a jab saw typically. If you're just doing some finished surface work, you really probably will need that tool. Outside of that, for the mixing of your joint compound, depending again on the size of the job, you're going to need a small little mixer that will actually work in your pan. You can mix up small amounts of joint compound in your pan. Again, you're going to take some ready mix or some pre-mixed joint compound, probably a little bit of water to it, and then use this mixer. This will fit on any size drill, and it'll cream that joint compound up just beautifully. If you're going to go with a little bit higher quantity, say you have a bigger job, we'd probably recommend for a DIY person using this 4-inch by 28-inch mixer. It'll mix up your joint compound in a 5-gallon bucket or even smaller 1-gallon bucket very, very nicely and very, very quickly. The other nice thing about these two mixers is they work beautifully for paint. So if you're doing a big paint project, this will mix a 5-gallon bucket of paint beautifully, and this will mix a 1-gallon can of paint like you've never seen. So again, those are very versatile tools. So then we get to the surface prep. You're obviously going to want to put something over the hole. You want to put some kind of a structure there. You can YouTube how to do that. We won't talk about that right now, but once you've got that structure behind there, you're going to want to use these types of tools for smaller work. Probably going to use a 6-inch knife. Of course, you're going to need a mud pan to put your joint compound in. 6-inch knife's good for little picture hanger holes and things of that nature. For a little bit bigger holes in work, you're going to want to use an 8, 10, and 12-inch taping knife. We're showing here stainless steel. I typically would recommend for a do-it-yourself, or just go and buy the stainless steel. It'll last you a lifetime. It's not going to rust, so you're going to be able to keep it for a long period of time. So we've got 8, 10, and 12-inch taping knives here. We say a 14-inch pan. The reason we say that's because your 12-inch knife will fit nicely into a 14-inch pan. It fits pretty tight into a 12-inch pan, so a lot of times we'll go ahead and recommend a little bit bigger size pan just so it's easier to get the joint compound in and out of there. So if you're looking to just do a little patchwork, a little DIY project in your house, these are a selection of tools that could probably get you through the toughest part. And then, of course, you're going to need some sanding materials afterwards. So depending on how good you are with these tools, it'll depend on how much sandpaper you need, but we'll leave that up to you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, welcome to the Red Zone. If you like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a lot more information about Level 5 Tools. If you've got questions or more details sought, go to our Facebook page, Level 5 Tools, Instagram, and you can always go to level5tools.com. Welcome to the Red Zone.